Good day. Look at this beautiful apple tree. It's blossoming. I don't know if it's going to yield any apples, but we'll see. Time to water. Okay, let's see if my dog can stay away from the hose, because he loves to play in the water. He's that kind of dog. So, I need a new hose. This one is a cheap one. It gets kinked a lot. So, I didn't plant some things that I was supposed to on Mother's Day because it got kind of chilly. So, I was afraid. And, okay. Well, that didn't work. I don't know how this video is going to come along. I don't know how to edit, so you're going to see everything. See how it just gets kinked? I'm probably going to go get a new one, because I hate fighting this thing. And of course, when it gets hot, it works fine because it's not... There he goes. There he goes. Okay, don't drink too much because you'll cough. So, zucchini plant did not do too good. My banana pepper leaves. I think I'm going to recreate this and get a cattle panel to go over the trellis and keep some netting over it. We have lots of squirrels. I caught a squirrel in the garden bed the other day. So, and my basil plant is probably dead. I'll probably go get another one. Tomato plants are pretty hardy, so it'll probably come back. But it got really cold here in Colorado, so I should have waited to plant a lot of this stuff. Even after Mother's Day, it got cold. So it's almost a week later. Hopefully we'll start seeing some warmer days for planting. I love living here with the 4 seasons. It's just gorgeous. And so I was told that a lot of this stuff coming up in the middle are volunteer plants, because I did not plant them. So I'm sure it's probably a lot of my lettuces and they cleared the winter, which is awesome. And has anybody tried one of those? What are they? The upright vertical planters. Thinking of getting one of those, so I can plant more things, since I only have the one bed and the soil isn't that great here. Strawberry plant's doing awesome. Definitely have to net this up. Let's just get some water on these plants. Like I said, I'm just going by my gut. Water, take care, weed. Again, I don't know if you saw my very first video. I don't know what those are. It's got to be like some kind of herb. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll get that app where you take a picture and it tells you what it is. I did not plant these. And then it's not weeds, because these are, it's not in the ground. So it had to be something that I grew. Here's the, I'm not sure the name of that, like I said. It's just for beauty. I love the color. Oops, I'm getting all my garden stuff wet. That's not good for school. All the guys are going, if there are guys watching, don't wet your garden tools. They'll survive. So I haven't picked up the dog poop here because it's been wet. I was trying to let it dry out before I picked it up. There goes my dog again. You like that, Danger? Yes. That's my dog, Danger. He's a star. He's a movie star. He's shy, camera shy. So, like I said, I have my lemon thyme, my sage, rose plant that we did last year. This is the rose plant that I did this year. They're pretty hardy. Looks like it's zoom in. I only have 2 hands. Okay. Let's get some coverage, a little bit of water on these. Okay. Isn't that shadow cool? Yep. Drink too much too fast, didn't you, dog? Okay. Can I water my plants, please? Oh, crazy dog. Alright, it's the last of my flowers. Like I said, if you saw my very first video, I don't know what's growing in here. I just planted some old seeds that I had of flowers that my mother gave me, or that I had, and then of course the geranium. I don't have anything in here. It looks like something's going in there. And here's our bird bath for the birds. I know, I want to clean that out, but like I said, I only have 2 hands. When I become big on YouTube, I can hire my own director, cinematographer. Man, you guys are awesome out there in YouTube land who create YouTube channels. Some of the creative things you guys come up with are just phenomenal. You just keep me coming back for more. So, and roundabout to this little spot because my dog, see, big dog problems. So we're experimenting in this little spot. Everybody loves a good dog channel. Not a dog channel, but I will be showing my dog a lot. His name is Danger. But when we're out and about, taking him for walks, we call him Ranger, because we don't want to scare people. And I just got this the other day. My mom volunteers at a food bank, and these are just going to go to waste for somebody who doesn't want to take care of them. So this will just be some beautiful foliage and flowers that'll come up. So I'll just keep watering them. To reiterate, we're going to down here put a planter box and probably have flowers. So, but my husband just started a new job. Well, he works for himself, but started a job that's new to him. Are you all done? Okay. Let's turn this off. Let some of the pressure out. Okay, good boy. And I'll put that away later. All right, that's all I got for you today. Stay tuned for some other fun stuff that I'm going to get ready to get on the channel. I really love making journals since I used to do scrapbooking, and now I have all this paper, so I'm making it repurposeful. Starting a new project. All right, ta-ta for now.